Imagine this, a single building, so tall, it disappears into the clouds. 2 kilometers high, inside, thousands of people living, working, eating, like a vertical city. No traffic, no long commutes, everything in one place. Sounds like the future, right? So why haven't we built it yet? For decades, architects and engineers have imagined cities in the sky, buildings that could replace entire neighborhoods. We already build skyscrapers, and they keep getting taller. But going from tall to 2 kilometers is a completely different challenge because at that height, you're not just building a structure, you're fighting physics. The first problem is simple: weight. Every floor you add pushes down on everything below it. Now imagine thousands of floors, stacked on top of each other. The base of the building would carry an enormous load. Even the strongest materials we use today, steel, concrete, they start to reach their limits. At some point, the building can't support itself anymore. It's like stacking blocks. Eventually, the bottom ones fail, but weight isn't the only problem. There's something invisible, but incredibly powerful: wind. The higher you go, the stronger the wind becomes. At 2 kilometers, wind doesn't just push the building, it bends it. A super tall structure would sway back and forth, and even small movements can become dangerous at that scale. People inside could feel it, and over time, the structure could weaken. Now, imagine living inside this giant building. How do you get to the top? Elevators today are fast, but they have limits. Cables become too heavy. Travel times become too long. Would you wait 10 minutes just to get home? Moving thousands of people up and down every day becomes a challenge on its own. Then there's life itself. Water, electricity, air, all need to reach every floor at extreme heights. Even pumping water becomes difficult. Emergency situations become more complex. What happens if there's a fire or a power failure? Evacuating thousands of people from kilometers above the ground is not simple. A building like this would need to function like a self-contained city, perfectly balanced, every second. But here's the interesting part. None of these problems are impossible. They're just very difficult. New materials, smarter designs, advanced technology could change everything. Engineers are already working on solutions, and one day, we might actually build cities that reach the sky. So why can't we build a 2-kilometer tall city today? Because it's not just about building higher, it's about understanding limits of materials, of nature, and of ourselves. But if history has taught us anything, it's that limits don't stay limits forever. And maybe one day, looking up at the sky, we won't just see clouds, we'll see home.